Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export historical data from the HibouAir mobile application, both on iOS and Android. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about what historical data means. HibouAir stores up to 7 days of historical data locally on the device. This local data is accessible only if you are using the HibouAir standalone solution or the HibouAir desktop solution. Alright, let's start with the iOS application. First, open the HibouAir app on your iPhone. We'll select Guest Mode since we want to access local device data without using the cloud. You will now see a list of nearby HibouAir devices. Let's select a PM device from the list. The app will take a little time to connect and fetch the historical data from the device. Once connected, we can see the historical data displayed in charts for each parameter, like PM 1.0, PM 2.5, PM 10, temperature, humidity, and more. Keep in mind, the device needs some time to collect and store data after it's been powered on. So if you've just turned it on, give it some time before expecting detailed historical data. To export the data, simply tap on the Export button. Here, you can view all the collected data. You can choose to print, share, or export the data for further analysis or reporting. Now, let's switch over to the Android application. Open the HibouAir app on your Android phone. Again, tap Guest to access local devices. You'll see a list of nearby HibouAir devices. Let's select a KM device to view its data. Next, tap on the Historical Data button. The app will connect and pull in all the stored data. You can now view detailed information for each parameter presented in clear charts. To export historical data on Android, tap the Export button. The app will ask you to choose a location where you want to save the file. You can set a custom name for the file before saving. Once saved, navigate to the location where you stored the file, and there it is. From here, you can share, print, or export the data based on your needs. And that's it. You now know how to export HibouAir historical data from both the iOS and Android apps. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other guides and tutorials.